Chriswell Home Improvements is proud to be an elite preferred contractor of James Hardie siding, the #1 siding brand in the U.S. Their innovative, non-toxic combination of cement, wood fibers, sand, and water creates a highly durable product that's resistant to wind, fire, water, hail, insects, and pests. We have a great selection of colors that won't fade or lose their luster after exposure to the elements. Unlike vinyl and stucco and wood, James Hardie siding won't crack, rot, warp, or peel over time. Investments should give you something in return, and homeowners are always excited to learn that James Hardie siding yields higher return than replacement windows and bathroom remodels. If you plan to sell your home in the next few years, James Hardie is a smart choice. Unlike competing brands that offer prorated warranty coverage, James Hardie provides 100% coverage for 30 years. You won't find coverage like this anywhere else in the industry. Chriswell Home Improvements is an elite preferred contractor for James Hardie siding, the highest achievement the company awards. We would love to tell you more about how you could benefit from investing in new siding. Call our team today